Hi, welcome to weight loss tip number 77. To lose weight, you must eat sensibly. On the swinging diet pendulum, sensibly sits somewhere between I'm eating way too much food and I'm fasting 5 days a week. There are a lot of diet plans out there and most of them work, but some of them are just plain silly. Always apply the standard question to the diet plan you're considering to see if it passes the lifestyle test. The question you ask about of the diet plan is, can I live indefinitely on this diet plan? The easiest diet plan to follow is a modified version of the food you're already eating. So chances are, because you're trying to do the right thing, your diet is already rather good. It just might need some tweaking here and there. How do you know where to tweak it? Well, in order to identify where to tweak your diet, you must record what you eat for at least 3 days. Now, recording it for 1 week is a much better option, but nobody ever does that. So record it for 3 days. Record the foods in these categories: breakfast, morning tea, lunch, afternoon tea, dinner, after dinner, and that's where your dessert goes. If you need more categories than this, then you've already identified your first problem area. Once you've done this, you're able to either count kilojoules or count servings. There are 3 tools you can use for this. The first one is the Calorie King Kilojoules and Fat Counting book. The second thing you can use is the Extra Mile Food Exchange Diet Sheet that's available from the download from the website. And the third thing is a free app like MyFitnessPal or the Calorie King app for your smartphone to help track the food you eat. Once you've completed the 3 days, then go back to your coach or mentor from your weight loss group, weight loss club, or your personal trainer, and go through it with them 1 meal at a time. Look for the foods that are high in kilojoules or foods that you're just eating way too much of. Cereal is one of those foods that is really easy to overconsume. That's our breakfast cereal. You may have to reduce the amount to a sensible serving size. If you have a cooked breakfast, you may have to reduce the quantity of your food. Check your morning tea. Do you like that cream biscuit or 3 to have with your sugared cup of tea? You will achieve a considerable saving in kilojoules if you reduce to 1 biscuit and a sugar-free cup of tea. Go through each of your 6 meals. You're looking at reducing your daily calorie intake by 250 to 500 calories per day. That's about 1,000 to 2,000 kilojoules. By doing this, you should bring about a 250 gram body weight drop in a week, or about 1 kilogram a month. Now, that's a sensible eating plan to bring about sensible weight loss using the foods you already like and the foods you're already eating. Now, whether it's a sensible diet with the quality of food, now that's a different matter. We'll talk about that another time. So we're asking you to look at the food you're already eating and modify the amount to induce weight loss. Let's have a look at this video and just recap some of these ideas.